Welcome to I Will for Life YouTube channel. Subscribe. Let's start. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Tom. Tom was known for his impatience, always seeking instant gratification and quick results. One day he stumbled upon an old man sitting under a tree, his face etched with wisdom and kindness. Intrigued, Tom approached the old man and asked,
"Sir, what is the secret to success? How can I achieve my dreams quickly?"
The old man smiled and replied, "Ah ha ha ha. Old man say, my young friend, the power of patience is the key to unlocking your true potential." Curiosity piqued, Tom listened intently as the old man began to weave a tale. Once, there was a farmer who planted a tiny seed in his field. Day after day he watered it, tended to it, and waited patiently for it to grow. The seed, however, took its time, slowly sprouting into a fragile sapling. Tom interrupted.
"But sir, why didn't the farmer just plant a fully grown tree? It would have been much quicker."
The old man chuckled. "Ah, ha, 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 ha. Old man say, my dear boy, the beauty lies in the journey, not just the destination." The farmer understood that great things take time. Continuing his story, the old man said, "As the sapling grew, the farmer nurtured it with love and care. He protected it from harsh weather and provided it with the nourishment it needed. Years passed, and the sapling transformed into a magnificent tree, bearing fruits that brought joy to the farmer and the entire village."
Tom's impatience began to wane as he realized the wisdom behind the old man's words. He asked,
"But sir, how can I develop patience within myself?"
The old man smiled and replied, "Patience is like a muscle, my young friend. It needs to be exercised and strengthened. Embrace the process, learn from setbacks, and trust that your efforts will bear fruit in due time." Inspired by the old man's story, Tom embarked on a journey of self-discovery. He learned to appreciate the small victories along the way, understanding that each step forward was a testament to his patience and perseverance. With time, Tom's dreams began to materialize, and he became a beacon of inspiration for others. From that day forward, Tom carried the power of patience within him, understanding that success was not an overnight phenomenon, but a result of dedication and resilience. And as he shared his story with others, he reminded them that the greatest achievements in life often require the most patience. The morale of the story is that success is a journey, not a destination. Patience, dedication, and resilience are the keys to unlocking one's true potential and achieving meaningful accomplishments. Embracing the process, learning from setbacks, and appreciating the small victories along the way lead to long-lasting fulfillment and personal growth. Thanks for watching.